I had a lady call me up and said she had a mercury, had a Bendix problem on it, and I said that shouldn't be a problem. But anyway, she emailed me some pictures and said, oh, it's not a mercury. So it's an optical V6 OMC, and the Bendix is right here for the starter. It's an offset starter. So it's really a challenge because there's a quarter of the motor that's on top of that to get to it. You don't have to pull the flywheel off to get to the Bendix. You can work around getting to the Bendix without pulling the flywheel, but you have to pull all the optical ignition parts off. And so it's not just to pull the Bendix off the starter, even to replace the starter. And then we're judging from what I've been told that it is a Bendix problem from another mechanic, since we've not seen the motor. So there's what it takes to get to the starter Bendix, if that's exactly what the problem seems to be with that motor.